Wow. It's the beach. Okay. Now, let's go for a walk. Let me flip this around. We're just going for a walk. There's a beach right there. Some shops. It was so hot last night. Couldn't breathe, couldn't think, couldn't sleep. Up all night. Oh, this is fucking beautiful when you come around here. Like, look at the buildings. Wow. I just like how chill it is. Look at this. Like, yeah. Just nice cars. Yeah. Back over this way. Fishing, 15th. We got tattoos that day. Tattoos. Yeah, look at the fucking ship out there. Out there. Oh. It's pretty cool. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's I've got to say it's what? Look, come down a bit. We're just going for a morning walk. What's this? Well, we're not doing that. It's pretty cool though. Pretty cool. Look at that, the water's a bit choppy today. This weather, unpredictable. Everyone's staring at me because I'm talking to myself, but it's okay. It's okay to be a little bit crazy sometimes. We were talking. Oh, that guy's doing hard work. I'm probably not going to go for a swim today. Well, I might go in the pool later on. Oh, and I got tattoos, so I'm not really able to swim. Ugh, that's annoying. Let's pick up video. Look at this. Beautiful. Don't know these girls. Yeah, last night was fucked. So hot. That's pretty cool. Setting up. Some more things. Go up to the top. Yeah. Some trees. Yeah, I can't remember what I'm gonna do. I think I said my throat's sore because I haven't had my morning cigarette. There we go. No, I'm gonna get a gym membership today. Go sort that out. Then I want to go for a swim in my pool. And then I want to go check out, it's called Ripley's, believe it or not. I think it would be pretty fucking cool to show you guys. I've never been, so yeah, pretty keen just to check it all out. go up this way. Like I went a little bit crazy the other night at the bars, but I don't know. I was thinking maybe I'll do like, I don't know, 3,500, 3,000 baht in one little sitting and just show you how far the money actually goes. There's a lot of money though, isn't it? 63, 4. Yeah. Yeah. I think 3.5. 3.5 is a lot of money here. Like, yeah. We'll see. Wow. Most people living. Yeah, like that. That's sick. Yeah, that's sick. Fresh. Everyone drives Isuzus here. And look at the ranges. Like this, ranges. This is the beach. Some girls there. Come up this way. There's a lot going on here. It's just running. Like I just don't know if I want. I don't know if I want breakfast. I don't know if I'm too hot. I still got a double burger in my bedroom. My gut's pretty sore from drinking so much. We just chill out for a couple of days. Do some cool shit, don't drink, and yeah. This car's pretty cool. It was I can't remember now. It's too hot. Doing some excavations. Yeah, coming down there. Just gonna have some water. If you're not drinking water, you're a fucking idiot. Yeah, I'm dehydrated. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm sort of just taking life slow here. Wow, no. I say I'm taking men's health. All I want to do is go to the chemist, buy myself fucking drugs. That's sick. It's gone. There's such cool things here. Just get the fuck out of me, those dolls. Skydiving. Wow. I'll go to that. And then, it's hot. It's fucking hot. It's hot. Yeah. So I don't know. That's true. Sorry, I'm not talking at the moment. So many people walking past. It's pretty busy. It's pretty busy for, it's like, I think it's like 6:30 right now, AM. Everyone's just doing morning cleanup and, you know, just getting things sorted, start the day off right. Big fucking 7-Eleven there. Don't know if you can see it, the light's sort of gone at the moment. There's a dog there, which is beautiful. But yeah, they got some cool shit. What's that? Supercharge. The guy's just charging his supercar. That's cool, eh? That's fucking sick. Oh, that looks cool. Okay. Now what I want to do is buy a push bike. Because imagine just rolling around on a push bike. It's way easier than walking. And I'm so fucking fat now. But I just need to exercise every day. Get the body moving. Feeling good. Feeling alive. But yeah. It's pretty cool. October. Cafe and food restaurant. Massive. Oh, some of the food here is the best shit in the world. It's amazing. You eat stuff here and it's like, wow. Coffee, teas, Greek food, Italian. Oh, not Italian. But yeah, I just love it. I just love life. Well, that's pretty cool too. I don't know. I don't want to be disrespectful, so let's just have a look at this, huh? Wow. Yeah. You come here and you realise there's just shit everywhere that you can do, or stay, or, you know, just see. And you see shit and you're like, what's going on here? There's so much to it, but everyone's just in their own little worlds, making it work. See, no police, just people living their life without, oh, that's disgusting. I don't know what that is. It stinks though. Oh. Stinks. Jesus. That was bad. It was really bad. Some Thai girls. Some tattoo studio. Yum yum pum pum. Wow. Yeah, major beach works going on, but it's crazy too. Just comes doing that thing. Some kebabs, some sticks, everything. But yeah, pretty cool. There's another 7-Eleven. Go up this way. There's a beach still there. Just all getting roadworks done. So, wow, that looks nice. What the fuck is that? Sour's Gallery. Oh, that looks really, really nice. People are going to overtake me now, so I'm just going to stop up here in a second and let this guy pass me. It's really cool. I didn't realise they were doing all this construction, so probably wouldn't have videoed if I knew that was the case, but it's okay. I had some markets there. Normally so busy and so fun. Just those kids here. Not big enough kids. Adults. Old people and kids. Just leave them out of it. But yeah, that's the markets there. Oh, got one here. Yeah, that's my morning walk. It's very hot for me today, but I feel like give it a couple more weeks, I'll be settled in. Yeah, I don't really know. It's pretty cool. It's like 2 ranges, but it's... Get it back a bit. That's sick. It's cool, Wow, that's. We might go in there. I don't know if we're allowed to, but we'll go have a look. Then travellers and tourists, rentals on daily, weekly, isn't it? Basically, go in there. Damn it, that sucks. Oh. Got right here, other side of it. Well, that's up on me. But yeah, I'll go to the gym, get the membership sorted, and go out. Head to bit going on there. Bit going on there, but that's okay. That's okay. Bong, weed, brownie, gummy, burger, Thai food, snacks, craft beer. I'll tell you what, you can't really beat that, can you? Bong, weed, brownie, gummy, burger, Thai food. Look at that. That's sick. So cool. But I've noticed here, man, as long as you're smiling and you're not rude, life's so fucking easy here. Some people are just fucking cunts though. Like, you meet people and you just think, how the fuck did you get through your whole life being like this? You should be a bit more happier, a bit more positive. Not get run over by a fucking car. Yeah, things like another 7-Eleven. Look, another one. Fucking everywhere. I love the sorry, my fault. No. Can't fucking wait up. Wait up, I'm cooking it. Whew. I'm cooking it. There we go. Yeah, I'll show you more of the beach if you want. I don't really know what you guys want to see, but some dogs. Doggies. Yeah. She's beautiful. Oh, she's going with security. She's in trouble. Oh no, he's just helping people out. He's a happy guy. Look at this place. He'll want to do a video, I bet ya. Toilet, bath. This fucking blow. Thailand. Oh, that looks good too. Mad cow. Good morning. How are you? Good, good. Woohoo! Let's go. Oh, it's cool too. Coming down here. Taxis just always ready. Always on the go. Let's it's pretty fucking hot, but I might go. You gonna look at the beach? Yeah, let's go look at the beach. What's the time? We've been walking for 37 minutes, but I've only been videoing since 19. So, and just in case you need another 7-Eleven, there it is. Wow, those kids are in. Why would you do that? Why would you swim there? Bro, look at this, ready? Look at this. Let me get a video. Oh. I can't. There we go. But I like water. That right there is the most choppiest water I've seen in a long time. And look, you could be swimming right there. But it's just it's a bit more chiller. Oh, that's fucking crazy. Like that generally. It generally scares the fuck out of me. It is so choppy today. Yeah. Security guy loves being on the whistle. But oh yeah, insurance, coffee. Oh, I should go have a look in there, eh? Catadol. Salty food. I don't know. Nah, look at that, that's fucking sick too. They love their Isuzus. They love their Isuzus. Yeah, that's crazy. They're all just swimming with their clothes on and shit. What the fuck? But yeah, okay. Let's realise it's fucking. Look at this guys. No, his chain just broke. Look at that. Loose. I don't know. Rent. Bye. Look at this fucking street. Whole world is just. Marlene, stop messaging me so much. The whole fucking day. What are you doing? Five notifications. Let's read. Clothes, photos, yes and no sun for a while. Okay. Look after Marlene. Over the videoing. Living a good life. Alright. Might just. I don't know. I feel like I've walked a long way now. But. Oh, okay. Well, that was fun. I'm glad we could all hang out, think about things, and you know, just let life do its thing. But yeah, I'll do another video this afternoon. Go gym. Probably not video myself at the gym, but go gym. Go look at something else, and yeah, do another video and see how we go. Alright, peace. Let me show you the beach one more time. Peace. Alright, 3, 2, 1, see ya.